Hello friends, Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I am going to talk about placement of Saturn in your birth chart, which play a very big role in astrology. Saturn is one of the biggest planet of solar system, and the effect of the Saturn on human is very much affected. If you have a strong or good Saturn in your birth chart or well placed Saturn in your birth chart, you will get a lot of success in life. If you have a weak Saturn in your birth chart, if you have a damaged Saturn or debilitated Saturn in your birth chart, you will struggle a lot. You will doing a lot of hard work, you will doing a lot of up, and you will face a lot of up and down in your life, and you will face a lot of poverty, and you will not enjoy a life thoroughly if you have a weak Saturn in your birth chart. Because in Kalpurush Kundali, in Kalpurush chart, Saturn ruled by your 10th and 11th house, which is a house of your karma and gains. 10th house is a house of karma and 11th house is a house of your gains. So if Saturn is well placed in your birth chart, it means you are very fortunate in the terms of your business, your job, your profession, your name, fame. You may get government job very easily in small age, and you will get a lot of gains through your job or profession if you have a strong Saturn in your birth chart. You need to know which type of Saturn placement if in your birth chart. Do you have a Saturn in Capricorn on sign, Aquarius sign, or do you have a Saturn in Libra sign in exalted position or on sign position? If you have that type of Saturn in your birth chart in Kendra or Trikona or 11th house or 10th house, Upchaya Bhav like 3, 6, 10 or 11, you have a Saturn in exalted position or on sign position, you will surely blessed from God's side or Saturn side. You will enjoy all type of benefits in your life. You will become a multi-millionaire in small age, and you may get a government job if you are interested for job. People are finding a job. If you have a exalted Saturn in Capricorn ascendant in 10th house, you will surely get a government job easily. If you have a exalted Saturn in 9th house, then your fortune will work, but slowly you will win the race against all hurdles of your life. So placement of the Saturn, which is very affected for some ascendants, which I am going to sharing with you, like Taurus ascendants being a lord of 9th and 10th house. If Saturn placed well in your birth chart in Kendra or Trikona or in 11th house or in Upchaya Bhav like 3, 6, 10, 11, you will get a lot of gains. You will get name, fame, prosperity. You become a multi-millionaire in small age. You may face some struggle or hurdles in young age, but after the age of 26 or 27, you will rise a lot. And you can say if you have a Gemini ascendant, because Gemini ascendant Saturn is a ruling planet, being a lord of your 9th house, if placed in well in like 3rd house, 6th house, 10th house, 11th house, or your 9th house, Saturn will give lot of benefits. You will enjoy all type of comforts. You will born in very rich family and you become very millionaire. You will get inheritance and no need to do any hard work in life. Whatever you do, whatever you achieve, that you come very easily in your life. I saw a lot of people, they are doing a lot of hard work in whole life, but they never get a small achievements. And I saw a lot of people, they are in small age, they achieve lot of things because they have a good Saturn in birth chart. You need to know which type of Saturn in your birth chart. If Saturn plays in Upchaya Bhav like 3, 6, 10, 11 houses, you will get surely success beyond your expectations during Saturn Mahadasha or Antardasha. And if you have a Saturn in your 9th house, in your you can say 7th house, in your 5th house in exalted motion or on-sign motion, and during that period you will get a lot of success if Saturn is friendly relationship with your ascendant slot. Like Taurus ascendants, Gemini ascendants, Virgo ascendants, Libra ascendants, Capricorn ascendants, Aquarius ascendants. If Saturn placed well in your birth chart, you will definitely grow beyond your expectations, because Saturn will give you a lot of success beyond your imaginations, and you will find a right path in a young age, which is the right path of our life. Which is the right path from follow we that path and grow a lot. People are getting confused in the age of 40, 45. They don't know which type of which type of right path they need. But if you have a good Saturn and good strong Saturn placement in your birth chart, you will surely find a right path of your life. Yes, this is my right path of life. If I follow this path, I will surely become millionaire. I will surely become a very good and honest man. Saturn is a karka of all type of hard work, poverty, success after struggle, after hard work. But Saturn is a very karmic planet. If you have a strong karma, if you have a good karma, if you have a good public dealing with others, Saturn will always give fantastic results, because Saturn is the karmic planet. Saturn play a big role in astrology. Don't take it Saturn as a lightly planet, because Saturn in astrology, all birth chart, Saturn is dominating. This is my research in last 20 years in astrology. Saturn almost dominate all birth chart because Saturn play a big role. If you have a like Aries ascendant being a lord of your 10th and 11th, if Saturn placed well in your birth chart, you will rise a lot during the Mahadasha of Saturn or Antardasha of Saturn. And if Saturn transit in any good houses, because Saturn stay in one house 2.5 years, and which will bring a lot of happiness if placed in 3rd house, 6th house, 10th house or 11th house from your ascendants or from your moon sign. So you need to know where is Saturn transit right now in your birth chart. Do you have a retrograde Saturn? Do you have direct Saturn? You need to know which type of Saturn placement in your birth chart. It is depend, your all success is depend on Saturn placement in your birth chart. If you have a good Saturn, you will enjoy a lot of success in small age. If you have a weak Saturn, debilitated Saturn, or Saturn conjunction with Sun or Mars, or you can say Saturn conjunction with Moon, or Saturn conjunction with, like you can say Jupiter, then you may face some struggles or some hurdles in your young age, but you will definitely grow if Saturn is a ruling planet or Saturn is a friendly planet with your ascendant slot. So guys, you need to know which type of Saturn placement in your birth charts, because Saturn play a biggest role in astrology. Without Saturn, astrology is zero, because Saturn represent your karma. Saturn represent fruit of your karma. Saturn will always give you punish if you don't understand your guilty, if you don't understand your fault, if you always think, yes, I am right, I am the best because I never did a wrong in my life, then Saturn will surely give you punishment, because you are liar. You are liar. If you are honest and if you are hard worker, Saturn always give you fantastic result beyond your expectations, because this is the rule of Saturn. Saturn, a planet, a slow moving planet, which will always give you the slow results, but the results of the Saturn is you will enjoy forever. If you have a strong Saturn in your birth chart and you have a good Saturn in transit as well, and you have a Mahadasha or Antardasha of Saturn, you will definitely grow in your life. And if you have a weak Saturn, debilitated Saturn, you will do a lot of hard work, you will do a lot of struggle, stress, hurdles, and you will face a lot of poverty, and you don't have money to manage your daily expenses, because Saturn weak in birth chart always give lot of struggle. Saturn debilitated in birth chart always give lot of struggle. If Saturn is weak in your birth chart, you will always suffer from the eye problem. Your eye number is very weak in young age or small age. If Saturn is weak in your birth chart, if Saturn is not well placed in your birth chart, you will always feel very, you will always spend your time in isolation. There's no social circle, there's no friend if Saturn is weak or debilitated in your birth chart. And if you have a strong Saturn or well placed Saturn in your birth chart, you will enjoy a good social circle. So guys, you need to know which type of Saturn placement in your birth chart. If you have a Saturn in 3rd house, 6th house, 10th house or 11th house, you will definitely rise a lot, because Saturn will always give fantastic result in Upchya Bhav. Thank you for watching my channel. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Jai Hind.